Welcome back, everyone. In the previous video, we enhanced our trading class to continuously check for trading patterns every 10 seconds and made all parameters configurable. Today, we're going to further refine our trading bot by implementing methods for managing stop loss and take profit levels with continuous price monitoring. These enhancements will ensure that our bot can effectively manage risk and maximize profits according to your configured settings. Let's get started. To manage stop loss and take profit levels, we'll update our trading class to include methods that dynamically set these parameters based on configurable inputs. We'll also ensure that the bot continuously monitors these levels and places market orders once the levels are hit. After closing the trade, the bot will sleep for 15 minutes before resuming. Here's the prompt to get going. Please extend the trading class to include methods for setting and monitoring stop loss and take profit percentage levels. Once these levels are hit, create market orders to close the trades and then sleep for 15 minutes before resuming trading. Ensure all parameters are configurable and nothing is hard-coded. Include comments explaining each part of the code. Ensure the code builds on the previously provided trading class and aligns with the trading strategy discussed. I hope you guys have pretty much familiarized yourself with writing effective prompts. If not, keep practicing and you will definitely get there. I will be adding a comprehensive section in this course which will teach you how to write effective prompts. All the rules and guidelines will be shared as well. Anyways, let's see what we have got here. Now let's go through this code step by step to understand what's happening. So this new script has added two additional functions called monitor trades and close order. Let's go through monitor trades and see what it does. So as we can see, it monitors open trades and closes them if stop loss or take profit levels are hit. It calls close order function to close the trade and then sleeps for the time you have set. Also, what I see now is in the function place order based on pattern, it is storing all the orders info which will be used to analyze the take profit and stop loss conditions. Let's check here. It uses a while loop to continuously monitor the trades. Then, if the direction is buy, it checks if the current price is at or below the stop loss price or at or above the take profit price. If so, calls the close order method. And of course, if the direction is sell, checks if the current price is at or above the stop loss price or at or below the take profit price. If so, calls the close order method. If the TP or SL is not hit, it sleeps for a specified interval before checking again. We can set it to 5 seconds as we don't want to delay when it comes to closing positions based on our risk management metrics, right? And the next function, close order, is basically telling if the direction is sell create a buy order to close the position and vice versa. And finally, when the position is closed, we remove the order details that we stored earlier from the open orders dictionary. Let's now head to the terminal and run this bot. I am pretty excited that we managed to build a full-fledged trading bot without writing a single line of code ourselves. That's what ChatGPT does for us and is so powerful that can make the tasks so easy. Let's go through each parameters once before running the bot. The trading class is instantiated with these parameters to configure the bot's trading behavior. The bot will use your Binance API key and secret for authentication, apply a leverage of 20, and invest 10 USDT in each trade. I have kept it at 10 for now. It will place stop loss and take profit orders at 2% and 5% price movements, respectively. After closing a trade, the bot will pause for 15 minutes before resuming trading, and it will check for trading signals every 20 seconds. The bot will trade the BTC USDT pair using 5-minute candlestick data. All right, all set? Let's do this. Let's run the bot and see what happens. We might get trades, we might not. But in the next video, it'll make some optimization to the code, and we will run the strategy then to see if everything is working or now. So, as you can see, we are pretty much blind here, and we don't know what's happening. Are we looking for patterns, or the trade is already open? We know nothing. We will make some changes and add print statements and create a log and store all trade data in a CSV log file. Then we can call our bot fully automated. Let's catch up in the next video.